The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is a powerhouse of a smartphone. It boasts of a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, making every scroll and swipe buttery smooth. The screen also features a peak brightness of 3000 nits, ensuring visibility even under direct sunlight. This device has an impressive triple-ring camera setup at the back, featuring the 200-megapixel primary lens with an optical image stabilization, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 2-megapixel macro lens, and for selfie, there is a 20-megapixel front-facing camera. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is powered by a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset built on a 4nm process. This phone is packed with a large 5110 mAh battery capacity with a 120 watts fast charging, ensuring all the use battery life. Okay, enough of the paperwork. Let's see if the device is actually what they said it is. First off, let's talk about the design. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus boasts of a sleek and premium look, with a curved H2H AMOLED display that's perfect for screen time consumption. Around back, it has a triple-ring camera setup in a ring form that we'll talk about in a bit. It's funny to see this big camera layout at the back for the camera, but the fun part of it is that is where the Aura Blaster is located. I first of all saw this on the Tecnopop 9, and now Redmi has chosen to introduce this into the device as well. I love it. There is no other new introduction. We still have the volume rocker keys and the power button on the right hand side. To the left, we've got nothing. Beneath, we have the SIM tray for dual nano SIM card, USB Type-C charging ports, dual speaker, one on top and one beneath, and also 3 microphones, 2 on top and 1 beneath. Everything sits pretty nice and durable, and so you know the back is made of eco leather. It is actually nice, and this color I have here with me is called lavender purple, and there are also 2 other colors to choose from. Coming back to the 6.67-inch AMOLED display that they say is best for consumption, they did not lie. Bruh, this screen is sleek, pictures and videos pops out beautifully with all the colors well presented because it supports 12-bit color. Watching videos on YouTube, TikTok and other social media platforms feels great with the audio complementing it. Like, it can never go wrong with AMOLED display. The screen also supports a 120Hz refresh rate, making every scroll and swipe feels incredibly smooth. Additionally, this display has a peak brightness of 3000 nits, ensuring visibility even under direct sunlight. So, what is there not to love about this display? Tell me. Now, let's move into the camera department. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus has a massive triple-ring camera setup featuring the 200-megapixel primary lens with an optical image stabilization, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and the 2-megapixel macro lens. For selfie, the 20-megapixel sensor is what we've got. Now, let's take a closer look at some sample pictures and see how it performs under different lighting conditions. For the pictures, I would say they are not consistent and the colors are not real. Trust me. Going to the video aspect of it, as you can see here, I'm shooting on 4K at 30 frames per second and it looks nice. But when I dial it down to 1080p at 30 frames per second to use the video stabilization, man, there was nothing stabilizing here. I don't understand what Redmi is saying. They said one thing and we are having the other. So, guys, check this out. Tell me your own thoughts in the comment section. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is powered by a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset built on a 4nm process. This advanced processor delivers seamless multitasking and gaming performance. Games like Call of Duty Mobile came out very smooth with nice screen response. You won't feel any lag or delay except if you have a bad network. More to it is a software that comes with Android 14 on Redmi HyperOS 14. We also have a 12GB of RAM plus a massive 512GB of internal storage, which is pretty much enough to store all your need. So for general performance, which has to do with scrolling, browsing, opening and closing apps, and surely multitasking, this device is ready to deliver. This device has a 5110 mAh battery capacity with a 120 watt fast charging brick. With this, charging this device from 0 to 100 will require less than an hour, I presume, since I've not carried out that test myself. On moderate use, the battery can simply last a full day or more, and with the fast charging, you can quickly top up your device from 0 to 100. Xiaomi also introduced this new feature which allows you to control the charging speed of this device. You can choose between regular charging, optimized charging, and battery protection. Each of them has their own role to play when it comes to how durable this battery will last in the long run. In addition to its impressive specs, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus also features an IP68 ratings for those on water resistance, a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for additional protection, and dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos for an immersive audio experience. It also comes with some AI features, which some of them are not released to the general public yet, and when they are, we'll get to know. So in conclusion, is the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus worth considering? For a device that costs about 730,000 naira, which is way above $400, will you buy this device? If you ask me, I would say that the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is really impressive with great performance, good build, Aura blaster, water resistant, and a manageable camera. Yes, manageable. It is a go for gamers, heavy users, and in some way, photographers. But that's my take though. I would love to hear what you have to say about this device in the comment section. And if you have any question about the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, do well to drop them in the comment section, as I will do my best to answer each and every one of them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, share with friends, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye and bye.